Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. Today I would like to show you everything I have in my stash as far as Disney items. I'm going to be working in a Disney in September 2020 PHA challenge and want to show you what I'm starting with and give you some ideas of what I'm probably going to make. So these are just miscellaneous papers. This I thought would be great to cut apart. I've had this stuff in my stash for a couple of years, so it's time to move it. Here's the information on the challenge. It's hosted by Christian's Crafty Adventures and in conjunction with Scrap Happy and Craft Mazing. I understand they're doing a giveaway, so check out these 3 YouTube channels and you'll get more information on that. Okay, let's start with these. So these are fabulous. Let me put the blue background on. These are just, I guess, resin, sparkly Mickey heads. Somehow I'm going to use them in my mini albums because they're so cute. Why not? Then I have 2 of these paper collections. This is Magical Adventure by Echo Park. It's a couple of years old. But the papers are great. And then I also had gotten 5, count them, 5 of these ephemera kits. So I'm going to try to use those ephemera kits and paper collection kits and see what I can do. Now I've made a folder out of this empty Say Cheese 4 paper pad kit. I usually just put tape on the sides, but I mean it's chock full with several different Say Cheeses and probably miscellaneous papers besides that. But my goal is to go through this and see what I can do with all these scraps. I'm sure I can make something out of that. And you can make cards if nothing else. Some stickers, some other miscellaneous paper. I had purchased these pink papers. They're not necessarily Disney, but it's castles and crowns. So, I don't know, maybe. This is from the Echo Park kit. I could probably put those papers with that kit and see what I could do. Some miscellaneous papers. You know, I pulled anything out of my stash that was red and white or black and white to go with the Disney. Alright, here is where it gets interesting. So these, and I have another one in here somewhere, but these are bookmarks. If I take one out of the package, I can show you what's cool about them. So they're sort of perforated, and if you want to put them like on a page in a mini album, Mickey's hands go over the page. I thought that could be like a page. I don't know. I don't know, but I just figured that would be really cool. So I want to use those up. They were in my stash. So it's time to use them. Yeah, now these I've had, I don't even know where I got them or how long I've had them. They're Post-it notes, but I thought they would be great for little journaling tabs or tags or cards on a mini album. They're small, but you know, if you're journaling on pictures, they would be cute. That I cut out with my Cricut. That would be fabulous to use. These are epoxy metal clips. Obviously, I haven't even opened them. Epoxy hair pins. Another ephemera kit, and these were so adorable that I didn't want to use them. Well, what's the sense in that? So I need to open them up and I need to use them. Oh, those jewels, that's with the Mickey head. So they came from the outlet. I must have purchased them at an expo when we had those things. Some more stickers. You know, and as I'm going through this, I realize they're sort of interesting because they're Disney and camping related. And I don't know if you know, but I live in an RV, so camping's my jam. So I need to use this. Alright, here is just a pack of ephemera. I need to go through those. Alright, some of those kits, like the Say Cheese kits by Simple Stories, they have tons of cut apart. So here's some 4x6s. I mean, that's like an inch thick. So there's those cut aparts. So besides those, I have the 3x4s, 4x4s, and then these are miscellaneous, just different sizes, but surely I can do something with that. Now in the past I've made these cute little, they're really made for autographs, just using up all those cut aparts, so I think I will do something like that. I saw this from someone else years ago, can't remember who, I'm racking my brain. If that's something you'd like to show me how to do, just leave a note in the comment. Here's more of that black paper. That would look great with the gold castle, wouldn't it? More stickers. And I think back on the bottom of this iris case is just a bunch of miscellaneous papers. More red and white. More of that. I don't know. It's a good thick cardstock too, so that's fabulous. So that is what I'm starting with. If you'd like to stick with me, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. You'll see what I make with all of these fantastic goodies. I mean, there really is a lot, so I should be able to make some wonderful projects. And thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.